Hello everyone, welcome to Lecture Room Online, and this is C++ series lesson 6. In this lesson today, we'll be looking about constants. A constant in C++ is a value that cannot be changed. Assume we want to create a program that calculates weight from a given mass. So if we aim to calculate weight from a given mass, then we'll have variables like float mass, let's say equals 6, and then we have float again g equals 9.8. If I try to output weight, I'll format it as weight is, give the value of mass times g, and then I'll add a unit newtons, and then add end line. Let's try to compile this program. It's fine. If I run this program, I expect to see the value of weight. That weight is 58.8 newtons. But what will happen if someone accidentally assigned another different value of g, like equal to 5? Let's compile again. The value will change all of the calculations, and this will be not true in physics. So to solve this problem, if you want to prevent a variable from being reassigned again, you have to declare it as constant and not a variable. And to declare a variable as constant, you have to add the keyword const before the data type of that variable. For example, const g. Now this keyword const will make this float a constant and not a variable. Let's try to compile. It's fine. But if someone try to change this value, for example, now g equals to 5, the program will not allow, and the error message says assignment of a read-only variable g. So if you define a variable to be constant with a keyword const, it will be a read-only that you cannot modify it anymore. So this is how to declare constants in C++. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. See you on the next lesson. Goodbye.